Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make a beautiful shooting star. Let's get started. Start by folding 3 cords evenly in half and attaching them to your ring with a lark scent knot. So just send that folded end over the ring so the loop hangs behind, and then pull the 2 ends through that loop and pull it tight. Now take the 4 cords in the center and tie a square knot. To make a square knot, I like to send the side on the right over the 2 cords in the middle to form a loop. Then I send the side on the left over that right cord, I twist it behind the 2 in the middle and pull it up through the loop. Then I pull it nice and tight. Now I take the side on the left to cross over the 2 cords in the middle to form a loop. The side on the right goes over the left, behind the 2 cords in the middle, and then up through the loop. And I pull it tight. Now I'm going to take the cord here on the very far left and I'm going to point it down, diagonal, and to the right and tie 2 double half-hitch knots with the next 2 cords. So I take my first cord and I twist it up to form a loop, then I twist it around that leading rope and pull it through the loop and pull it tight. Then I take that same cord back over the leading rope to form a loop, twist it around and pull it through the loop. Pull it tight. Now I'm going to add this working cord we just used with my leading rope. So I'm just going to lay it right beside it diagonally. And now I have 2 leading ropes. And I'm going to take my next working cord and tie it around both cords. So it's the same knot. It curls up, around, and through, and I pull it tight. Take it back over and around and through and pull it tight. Now I'm going to do the same on the right side. So the far right cord points down, diagonal, and to the left, and I'm going to tie my double half-hitch knots just as I did before. Once again, I lay that working rope I just used alongside my leading rope. Just like that, and that is what it should look like so far. And now I'm just going to grab 2 cords from each little side. Okay, you want kind of the most innered cords. And I'm just going to connect these cords together with another double half-hitch knot. So I like to cross the left cord over the right, and then take that right cord to tie around the left cord. And that is what it will look like once you have finished your first point of your star. Now I'm just going to kind of rotate my ring. And I'm going to repeat the exact same steps. So I attach 3 more cords to my ring. 4 cords in the middle and tie your square knot. Now take that cord on the far left and point it down towards the right and tie your 2 double half hitch knots. After you tie that first double half hitch knot, remember to add that working cord alongside your leading rope and then tie your next cord around both of those new leading ropes. Now repeat on the right side. Now connect both sides together by taking your 2 most inner cords and tying them together with another double half hitch knot. Now 2 points of our star is complete. We're going to repeat these exact same steps 3 more times so we have a total of 5 points to our stars. And here is what it looks like once you have all 5 points attached. So now I'm just going to kind of lift this up and put it like this. This is the way it will hang with all the ropes kind of coming down, making a really beautiful effect, which is what I believe looks like a shooting star. Now I'm going to attach a little hanger to the top point of my star. So I'm just going to take a short little piece of hemp cord and I'm going to use a tapestry needle to help me attach this. Now all I'm doing is going to go right through the rope here at the very top, so kind of that top loop of your last double half hitch knot that makes the point. Just going to thread that through, and then I'm just going to pull the rope even on both ends, and then I'm going to tie it in an overhand knot at the top to secure the loop. And then my star is complete. So any last finishing steps would just be to trim your long ropes to the desired length, or if they're uneven, you can fix that up. And otherwise, our shooting star is finished. And before we go, I just want to let you all know that I recently released my new macrame guides. There's a lot of great information within these guides all about macrame, so please check those out in the link in the description below if you would like to learn more. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.